Fatigue and low energy can have a big impact on all areas of our lives. For example, if we're feeling really tired at the end of the day, we're not going to get in that workout we were meaning to do, or maybe cook that healthy dinner that we were meaning to cook, or go on that date night. Maybe we're not going to play with the kids or go on, the girls' night with friends. It's leading us to make choices that we would rather choose differently. When we have fatigue, when we feel really tired, we're not doing our best when it comes to work, when it comes to relationships, when it comes to exercise, when it comes to cooking. And so when clients come to me with goals like weight loss or making healthier habits or making smarter choices for themselves, one of the first things we need to tackle together is energy. And you can replace the word energy with motivation because a lot of times what I hear from my clients is I know what I should be doing. I've been meaning to do it. I just don't feel like it, or I'm too tired. I don't have the energy, or I don't have the motivation. So if that sounds like you've been wanting to eat healthier, you've been wanting to make some better choices, you've been wanting to really tackle your health and prioritize the things that matter, then join me for this workshop. I'm going to take you through a guided process to help you figure out what's draining your energy, like what's actually causing you to feel so tired all the time. We're going to figure that out together. And then I'm going to give you 2 or 3 actionable pieces that you can actually tackle right away to turn this thing around, get feeling better. Because when you have more energy, you'll feel more like date night. You will feel more like playing with the kids or going out for a ladies' night or whatever that, fun thing you were thinking of doing this weekend. You will be more likely to actually enjoy your life to the fullest when you have the energy to do so. Plus, your days go much smoother, right? If you're falling asleep at your desk or turning to caffeine and sugar just to keep going, we're not setting ourselves up for success. I want all of us to feel vibrant and energetic and alive and really enjoy life to the fullest. So this workshop is going to be a step in the right direction. I cannot wait to share some things that I have inside for you. Click the link that's here on this page to get all signed up, and I will see you there.